today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the background of your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation slides. This is a great way to make your slides visually appealing and better suited to the content you are presenting. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file that you are working on. This could be a new presentation or an existing one that you want to update. Having your presentation ready and open will allow you to seamlessly apply the changes we're about to make. Next, let's move to the slide on which you wish to change the background. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a column of slides that compose your presentation. Find the slide you want to modify and right-click on it. Doing this will open a context menu with several options. Once the context menu appears, look for the option that says Format Background and click on it. This action will generate a pop-up window on the right side of your screen. This pop-up provides you with various ways to customize your slide's background. The Format Background window offers multiple options such as solid fill, gradient fill, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on solid fill. However, feel free to explore the other options later to see what works best for you. Now, under the solid fill section, you'll find a button labeled Color. Click on this button to reveal a palette of colors. This palette allows you to choose the background color that suits your presentation theme or personal preference. Take a moment to select the color you want. PowerPoint provides a wide array of colors, or you can click on More Colors to find an exact shade if needed. Once you're satisfied with your selection, the background of your slide will change to reflect your chosen color. And just like that, you're all done. Your PowerPoint slide now has a fresh, customized background. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other slides in your presentation, applying different colors to match your content or keep things consistent with the same shade throughout. Remember, the background you choose can significantly impact how your presentation is perceived, so choose colors that enhance readability and complement your presentation material. By following these steps, you add a personalized touch that can make your presentation more engaging and polished. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful for customizing your PowerPoint slides. If you have any questions or want to see more tips like this, let us know in the comments below. Happy presenting!